Hello, today we discuss about what is an ETMF. A clinical trial, also known as interventional study, is a process that aims to determine the safety and effectiveness of medical interventions, including medications, procedures, and tools in living people. It involves collecting data in a systematic way of every age, health status, gender, cultural background, occupation, and rest to participate. Depending on the objective of the clinical trial, the author's finding can help physicians make informed medical decisions by weighing the risks and benefits of the medication of their patients. Clinical trials are usually conducted by multinational pharmaceutical companies and usually take place in multiple phases, ranging from phase 1, involving a small number of healthy volunteers in a shorter period, to phase 4, involving long-term monitoring of participants after participation. However, what constitutes an established clinical trial with the utmost integrity? ETMF systems are software and server application to manage the entire stages of clinical trial. ETMF stands for Electronic Trial Master File. It's a system used by many established uh, clinical trial around the world to guide, store, and track lengthy documents and data related to the trial. ETMF is most important because it ensures that every record associated with your trial is secure, easily accessible, trackable, and most importantly compliant, which is essential for good clinical practices, recognized as a requirement by regulatory agencies such as FDA. As a clinical trial programs expand and progress further, a real-time transparency system that can quickly identify which documents are missing and or a product that has expired can help the research team to quickly fill those gaps and move on. ETMF systems are crucial in ensuring that every record is secured so that it can be accessed, modified, and verified by relevant parties at any time. ETMF is a secure database that enables all parties involved in the trial to access, modify, and verify all documents, records, and reports. It is used to store information and on sponsored trials from registration through to closure. ETMF systems can be installed by hosting providers or created in-house by organizations depending on their needs, including blockchain technologies. Some of the features include one central database for all data related to an ATMF system, password protection so no unauthorized users can access it, auditing capabilities that allow you to keep to track of who has accessed your data at any given time. Records are stored electronically in a secure network that can only be accessed by individual with permission. Your data is stored electronically in a secure network that can only be accessed by individual with permission. This prevents tampering and ensuring that your information is accurate. This is important because clinical trials often lengthy time sensitive process. In other words, an ETMF system allows you to complete the following tasks: store all your important and sensitive documents for those who are permitted for access only, example clinical study protocols. Securely share these documents between your team members so they can work on them without having to worry about losing their work if someone else has already edited or modified the document in question. Ensure that every record associated with each patient's participation in a clinical trial is secured. There are several points in a clinical trial process that require the collection of documents, the recording of data, and their subsequent of verification. Typically, an ETMF is used by multinational pharmaceutical companies and CROs, including Vial, who provides their support to the life sciences industry in the form of research services or outsourced on a contract basis. The collection of essential documents includes clinical trial master file, protocols and procedures manuals, investigator brochures, monitoring plan reports, data validation reports, auditation reports, participant informed consent forms, laboratory test results, scan images from of documentation, electronic case report forms, and more. The ETMF can be accessed by any computer connected to the internet by authorized user. This allows for prompt retrieval of information to facilitate decision at all stages of the clinical trial process, including submission, planning, regulatory submissions, operational management, budgeting, cost savings analysis, statistical analysis, risk assessment, patient recruitment, data collection, real-time study activities, and reporting of findings. The purpose of an ETMF is to simplify all aspects of clinical trial documentation management. Doing so helps to reduce the time spent on finding and validating documentation, reducing overall drug development cost, and increasing the efficiency of trials. An ETMF can be agile and enables site monitoring too. An ETMF also enables site monitoring so that changes are recorded during a trial if anything happens, such as an adverse event or change in the protocol or approval which requires further analysis. The ETMF ensures that every record and collectible data stays consistent. The ETMF can help your organization with three primary functions: data capture, data entering. The ETMF serves as single source of entering electronic records into one central database. These records include things like patient information, demographics, medical history, and treatments received. With an ETMF in place, you don't have any worry about data being entered multiple times or getting lost due to multiple sources of information. Document management means document tracking. The ETMF allows you to track all documents within a study, such as invoices, orders, or receipts related to study activities. Example: site changes. This ensures that nothing falls through the cracks and there is no chance that important information get lost or misplaced between departments or people involved with running studies at different sites around the world. Document archived content. The ETMF should be have a robust solution or to archiving huge content of the clinical trial master file at least 25 years in a way that is really available and accessible upon request. As the number of historical plus active clinical trials grows within an organization, this can be costly to maintain the data for decades to come. Therefore, access to archive ETMFs needs to be tested regularly. Their conclusion is ATMF has helped to make clinical trial more efficient and secure by making it easier to everyone involved in a clinical trial to access and verify records. It also helps to eliminate errors because everything is stored electronically rather than on paper. By ensuring the integrity of the clinical trial conducted by multiple stakeholders, this ultimately improves the quality of life for patients who are waiting for new medicines. Okay, thank you.